How do you say my love in German? The phrase my love in German is mein Schatz. Mein Schatz. For example, Guten Morgen, mein Schatz. Guten Morgen, mein Schatz. Good morning, my love. Ich vermisse dich, mein Schatz. Ich vermisse dich, mein Schatz. I miss you, my love. Ich liebe dich, mein Schatz. Ich liebe dich, mein Schatz. I love you, my love. The phrase mein Schatz literally means my treasure, and it's a common term of endearment in German. Other options include Liebling, which means darling, Meine Liebe, which is the feminine version of my darling, or Meine Liebe, my darling in the masculine. But Schatz is probably the most common. Schlaf gut, mein Schatz. Schlaf gut, mein Schatz. Sleep well, my love. Komm her, mein Schatz. Komm her, mein Schatz. Come here, my love. Ich denke an dich, mein Schatz. Ich denke an dich, mein Schatz. I'm thinking of you, my love. So if you want to say my love in German, you can say mein Schatz. And if you want to learn to speak German, you can get my course 3-Minute German by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Danke.